Guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be a wig review video, as you guys can tell already, and this is the wig that we're going to be installing today. This wig was sent to me by Remyforte hair, and I cannot wait to install this wig. This wig is a 13 by 4 lace frontal. You guys can see it is a lace frontal. This is 13 inches, and you know the pattern space is 4 inches. It is an highlighted wig. I really love highlighted wigs, and I'm so excited to be installing this one today. You guys, this wig is 24 inches long. It is actually a very long wig. And yeah, that is all the information about the wig. Without wasting any time, let us go into putting the wig on the head and installing it. So I'm going to put the wig. Oh, lest I forget, this wig also comes with an elastic band. You guys can see I really love that Remyforte hair added this elastic band. This would help your wig to stay secured. You guys, I'm not going to use any glue or any spray on my head to hold this wig. I'm just going to put the wig on, cut the lace, curl the hair, and that is going to be it, because sometimes frontals can be so tiring to install. If you don't know how to install your frontal, you can just do it the way I'm going to do it in this video, and trust me, you are going to love the results. So this comes with this elastic band. This is going to help your wig to stay secured. With this, you can have a glueless frontal installation. It also comes with these straps at the back. You guys know straps. It comes with this one too. This is elastic. It is very good, and to help your wig to stay secured. And it also has combs inside. I'm going to tint the lace with my powder because it is not matching my skin, obviously. And I'm not going to do the bald cap method. Yes, normally you have to do the bald cap method for frontal wigs, but for this one I am not going to do any bald cap method. I just want to make this installation really easy, because I figured out that a lot of girls actually struggle with installing their frontals, and the girl is here for you. Yes, I'm here for you. You guys, it's been a very long time since I used my dummy head in any of my wig videos, but I'm going to be using it today. I'm going to put this wig on my dummy head, and I'll show you guys how you can do a glueless look. And I'm also going to add curls to my wig on the dummy head. Okay, I don't want to do this on my head because it's going to be difficult. So I'm going to take this wig out, okay, and I'll put it on my dummy head, and we are going to get straight to work. Yes guys, I'm going to teach you how to do a glueless wig. Are you ready for this? Yes, so let's dive right into the video. So guys, the first thing I went ahead to do was to apply some foundation on the lace, because it didn't really blend with my skin. I showed you guys earlier, it didn't really blend with my skin, so you have to use your foundation. Always use your foundation so that your lace will not look white when you put it on your forehead. And then I went ahead to dry the foundation. Okay, the next thing I went ahead to do was to cut the ear tabs. You need to cut the ear tabs so that your wig can sit properly on top of your ears. So you have to cut out extra hairs and extra lace that would prevent your wig from sitting perfectly around your ears. So that was what I did. And after that, I went ahead to use my wax stick. Yes, I put my wig back on the dummy head, used my wax stick, and then I went ahead to use the hot comb. And I believe the remaining parts of the video is actually self-explanatory. So I'm just going to stop this voiceover now so that you guys can watch the remaining things that I did. It's actually very easy. Just use your hot comb, your wax stick, and yeah, that's all for the video. So watch the remaining parts of the video to see everything that I did. Guys, your girl is done with the wig. This took me about 17 minutes to do everything in total. You guys can see that it didn't really take me that long. So I have my curls pinned. If you want your curls not to drop, if you want to have long lasting curls, you have to make sure you use your hair clips. If I had done this on my head, I wouldn't have been able to achieve what I have achieved doing it on the mannequin head. So if you struggle with doing things on your head, just use the mannequin. I thought about doing some baby hairs. Actually, I already even sectioned some baby hairs out when I was when I had the wig on the mannequin head. But right now I think I don't want to cut this hair. I don't want to cut it, so I'm just going to coil up the baby hair parts because I changed my mind. Okay, I don't want to cut this hair, so I'm just going to coil up the side that I wanted to use as baby hair. Okay, gonna do the second one. You guys can see how the curls are really juicy. The curls are not dropping. That is what you want. Okay, so you always have to make sure you pin your curls so that your curls can last longer. I'm just gonna take this out. Yeah, can you see? I'm going to use my wide tooth comb. You guys, make sure you're using a wide tooth comb, and I'm just going to comb out the curls a little bit so that you guys, can you see that? Did you just see how? Oh my god, you guys, can you see? Yeah, this is what I am talking about. I'm gonna do the same for the other side. I'm just gonna comb. Yeah, guys. Yeah. I'm gonna use my mousse right now, my Above Ultra Hold mousse, just to make this closure part a little bit flatter. So I'm gonna put a good amount. Oopsie, you guys, I'm out of my mousse already. Yeah, so I'm gonna use this and just press on the closure part so that everything becomes really flat. I'm just gonna press down so that everything is slick and beautiful. This is so pretty, guys. I love it. This wig is 10/10 minus nothing. Everything will still give you 8. Like this wig 8. Oh my god, I am so in love. I love the highlights. I love the blonde and black highlights. This wig is giving Beyonce vibes. Yes, it's just waiting for me to get on the stage and start singing Beyonce song, because this is giving Beyonce vibes. I love it so much. I love how long the hair is. Yeah, you guys, this hair is 24 inches long, so it is quite a long hair. It is almost getting to my waist, you guys. It is almost getting to my waist. I was able to achieve this glueless look because of the elastic band that Remyforte hair added to their wig. Okay, if you want to have a glueless wig, make sure you have that elastic band at the back. If you don't have that elastic band, your wig is not going to stay secure on the head. So Remyforte hair, thank you guys so much for adding that elastic strap at the back. That is just so lovely. I was able to achieve this glueless look. You guys can see. Yes, no spray, no glue, no board cap, Nothing. Yeah, you guys can see there is nothing on my hairline. No glue, no spray, no got to be, no ebbing spray, nothing. This is just my cornrows and my forehead. Yo, there is no glue on it, and you guys can see that I still achieved this glueless look. So make sure you buy this wig so that you can do glueless look like your girl. So guys, that is it for today's video. Honestly, I don't really have much to say. You guys saw everything that I did. You know, if you want to have if you don't want your curls to drop, make sure you pin your curls. Yeah, just go and buy this hair. That's the only thing I can tell you now. Just go and buy this hair. If you love highlighted wig, go and shop for the hair. The details is going to be in my description box. Go and buy your hair. Go and buy your hair. I know that your birthday is coming soon. Yeah, I know. I can tell your birthday is coming soon. So this will be a very good birthday hair, okay? I don't care if you have celebrated your birthday January or February, but just go and buy this hair. This is your birthday hair. This is your birthday hair. Remyforte hair. Thank you guys so much for sending me this beautiful unit. I love it so much. Y'all did an amazing job with this wig, with the with the highlights and with the band at the back. Yo, you guys are a 10/10. And thank you guys for watching my videos today. If you did enjoy it, remember to give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe to your girl's channel. I'll see you guys in my next one. Until then, bye.